Namashivaya, Namaskar to all the elders and faculty members. My greetings to all the fellow Amritayans. Myself I am R. Girish Teja from first year mechanical department. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Temple Town, Tirupati. First of all, I would like to thank all the faculty members and management team for providing us an opportunity to expose ourselves in our respective fields in the first part of our university journey itself. Today, I am here to speak few words about spiritual education. Spiritual education is required in today's modern India. Education with spirituality will lead to responsibility in students. After visiting many institutions and universities, I chosen Amruta only because to sharp and shine my character in terms of morality, spirituality, and to gain values and for also good career. Many people used to learn Dharma after their retirement age. How will these principles of Dharma useful to those people after retirement age? I think young age is the right time to learn principles of Sanatan Dharma or Indian Dharma. By learning the principles of Indian Dharma, we can correct the mistakes that we are committing in our life. So, the right time to read or to learn the principles of Indian Dharma or Sanatan Dharma is this age. Many educational institutions in India making or creating the students as the machines which produce ranks or marks. But after this 3 days induction program, I came to a conclusion that Amruta is quite opposite to all these things which we are seeing in other institutions. Amruta University has its reputation in inculcating the values, spirituality in students. Aristotle told that educating the mind without educating the heart is not at all an education. Yes, educating the mind with the stuff in the books is not enough to a student to lead a good life, because spirituality and values are also required for a student to lead a successful life. Today's India is really very dangerous, because I am using the word dangerous because after seeing the regular crime rates in our country, I am using this word. The crime rate can be controlled only with the spiritual way, because fear of God, not only God but also parents, spiritual towards our guru, will help a particular person to correct his mistakes. Because if we have fear on someone, then we will feel that he will punish us in some time because of committing the mistakes. So the crime rate of India can be controlled by the spiritual education. Spirituality is security for the ethics and values in modern India. Yes, it is true, because spiritual way is the only way to change the mindsets of many people in this country. Amrita Viswavidyapeetham, well known as AVV. I used to quote AVV as ashram which produce valiant students with value based education. I used to quote like this in front of my parents after having this 3 days induction program, because I am expecting a lot from AVV, Amrita Viswavidyapeetham, because I as a student now will lead a good life as a good graduate tomorrow from Amrita Viswavidya Peetam. I am believing this. And finally, Manava Sevaye Madhava Seva. Service to man is service to God. This is possible in Amrita. I came to conclusion for this after seeing the 3 days induction program. Finally, I would like to thank once again the faculty members and everybody for giving me this wonderful opportunity to expose myself in terms of spiritual education. Finally, I quote, dream it, believe it, and achieve it, and we are here to achieve. Thank you. Namah Shivaya. Thanks a lot.